this is Ben at Parco Studio in San Francisco. We're back again this week to talk about this beast. This is our new material library as we build out our practice and take on a bunch of new projects, including our new home build in Marin County. We are acquiring lots of samples of building materials, things like concrete and steel and wood and glass and tiles, and these things are all heavy and we need to organize them in order to really sort of see what we want to use on which project and how. And so we needed something heavy duty but relatively clean looking to have in the office. We went and picked up this 9-drawer tool cabinet at Harbor Freight, did a bunch of research, looked at a few different cabinets from Home Depot, Harbor Freight, and Lowe's. Lowe's carries a Craftsman cabinet, Home Depot carries a Husky cabinet, and Harbor Freight carries this thing called a Yukon. They're all relatively the same and they're constantly competing with one another to bring the prices down and add features, and in any given moment one of them is better than the other. At this moment in time, the Yukon seems to be the best bet as far as price and quality goes, but that could change in 6 months when they find another manufacturer and change things around a bit. But for now, we picked up this one, we debadged it, and we've got some materials stowed in here already, and we're going to show you how we did that.
Now, it may be a little surprising that in the middle of a bunch of projects, I'm worried about organizing materials and getting a new cabinet, but I'll tell you, a big part of architectural design is really just managing a mountain of information. And that information comes in all sorts of forms, from specifications to drawings to models to materials. And so this is an important part of keeping ourselves organized so that we can manage the workflow. I did not love all the labels that this cabinet came adorned with. There were a bunch of stickers on it which came off relatively easily, and then there was this metal Yukon label which took a little bit more work. A little bit of elbow grease, some Goo Gone, I used a plastic scraper, and then a dish scrubby, and ultimately was able to get the foam double-sided tape that was affixed with off and clean it up pretty good. You can see we've started to load the cabinet up here with some ground-faced concrete block samples, some shou, which is charred cedar siding. This is our tile drawer with a bunch of Heath tile, one of our favorite tile manufacturers located here in the Bay Area. And then we've got the bottom drawers have a bunch of wood samples in them where we've stained them with various stains to get different effects. Ultimately, there's a lot more materials on the way, but we feel like we are prepared for the influx that's coming.